Greetings of peace, my dear friends. Question and answer number 11, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: why do we hand on the faith? Answer: we hand on the faith because Jesus commands us, "Go therefore and make disciples of all nations." Matthew chapter 28, verse 19. No genuine Christian leaves the transmission of the faith exclusively to specialists like teachers, pastors, missionaries. We are Christ for others. This means that every genuine Christian would like God to come to other people too. He says to himself, "The Lord needs me. I have been baptized and confirmed, and am responsible for helping the people around me to learn about God and to come to the knowledge of the truth." 1 Timothy chapter 2, verse 4b. Mother Teresa used a good comparison. She said, "Often, you can see power lines running alongside the street. Unless current is flowing through them, there is no light. The power line is you and I. The current is God. We have the power to allow the current to flow through us, and thus to generate the light of the world, Jesus, or to refuse to be used and thus allow the darkness to spread." God bless you.